Abotrika din, Yebabo Ahmed Hassan din, Abu Grishanum din, Oko Ismailia. The name that is mentioned, no, Openia, your friend Abu Arab, no, great Egyptian air player. Only the best player at the African Cup of Nations are Egypt by no. Obiakai, Omochi Cameroon, Omo 4-1, group stage, no, Omo sent to Cameroon in the final. And they won 1-0. Obia no prove Fifio or Siakai. Emma, in fact, Egypt national team no, or move by to the extent say before say we a team share side group of Egypt team no, patron already 2-0. Now we lose a game no dada. And Sa Bantiano, Yato Abanomano as the best player. Few contested because Nabe play AGDA Samuel Eto Ebae LED Cameroon Emomu finals no. He was the top scorer or say 5 goals. Until Francophone Africa. Many people thought that Samuel Eto deserved the best player award in 2008. But then Abante friend Hosni of Egypt, Ono and Abatuano, Eko Eji Emano, and there were so many people who agreed with that voting. Eko so Abante friend Hosni, he played for Ismaili, a club Neo Africa in 2010 in Angola. And also Egypt Energy tournament, no. The best player at that Africa Cup of Nations, no. Once again, Ahmed Hassan, player for Al Ahly. 2012 Zambia the African Cup of Nations in this woman so. Patron player as the best player was Christopher Katongo, which was his club. No Sinakai, he was based in China. Osina Kama Hinan Construction. Before that tournament, Namin team Bibodia, your friend Hinan Construction. But the acquired Christopher Congo, as far as you see a kind, only the Zambia group of players, Mayuka, Simonde, Chamanga, Renford Kalaba. I mean, you talk about Kennedy Mwene, those group of air players, no. And Omuko did that tournament, no. He was playing in China in 2013. Best player at African. No Sina Kama Stade Rennes. Okay. France. 2015, the AFCON best player was a player no in the Bimbo and Everton, and that is Abante friend Christian too. But the two African Cup of Nations, no, ebe dominated for Ghana. We didn't win the tournament, but a two individual brilliance. The performance was better than the dribblings, the twins and tens, and then the pacey air runs. They voted for him, and Obia Ditumu. 2017 AFCON, the best player for the tournament was Christian Basogog. When team patron, he was playing for Aalborg, a team in Denmark. I have never heard of the name Aalborg before. Until at that tournament, I want to know Bisa Cameroon for no, because I was in Gabon. Christian Basogog were free, so we took the time and read about him. I feel no, but he was 21 years. Playing for Aalborg. Yeah, players are not moving big clubs about Mohamed Salah from Liverpool, Sadio Mane, Liverpool. You talk about great players, our own players at the Corey. 2019, we know the best player in the AFCON platform. His name is Ismail bin Nasir. Ismail, the son of Nasir. I'll write about that. So what's the trend that I'm doing now? It's just the African Cup of Nations, no? And that's the tournament. That be anything. It is what you come to do at the tournament. Samuel Eto is a great player, but he has never been voted as the best player at the AFCON. Because Oba Obebonye, but yeah, Obia, why be a bro Eto Dieso. Didier Drogba of all people, Omba AFCON be the best player that on TV sees a kind of. Nyamini Didier Drogba is great. But after Didier Drogba 2006, he was very close. But 2006, no, and another maker, Ahmed Hassan so. Now 2019. Sadio Mane had the Champions League from Liverpool. Mohamed Salah had the Champions League from Liverpool. Riyad Mahrez had the Premier League with Manchester City. Waba tournament, no. There are other great players. But Abante friend bin Nasir, patron, the club Empoli, they are relegated in the Italian Serie A. Or the Nitimari, he is playing the midfield of Empoli with Afri Aqua, my own best friend. So I was watching, we watch him. But bin Nasir Timari were Italy. Obi and the team are relegated. I make say offers and probably limited diamano. On what African Cup of Nations are about Bosso tournament no. We have Thomas Partey, Wakasu Mubarak. Bola Thomas Partey ni Wakasu Mubarak you bin Nasir onduru ho afi no oba. The tournament we no adia bin Nasir. Ababiyama Algeria. Partey and Timan Bossa Abo ni be not even half. Okay. So what I'm trying to say this afternoon is that tournament, African Cup of Nations, and your big name and it is about heart and desire, commitment. So, Bibi, no creating name for yourself. And your tournament, unnecessary things. Okay. Be naso. Abrenchen Yamona Maso, what say that? Maras was great, but Benaso, super tournament.
And of course, when you're in Poly, we're free in Poly, it's medicals in there. It's good, but watching Adrian series, so because for about 15 years in here, names now are no more, best player of half corners, I'm on your BSL.
Oh, it's a
time. I'm about be a crowd in your so, but what will be so? What do you
about to say? Obvious. So when you have a trouble,
from Ahmed Hassan, more Banyan, we play so much on mobile tournament, even Christian Chukrana be that. So, that's a go more, you never know, said, yeah, that's a big name in Africa. You're born and say, in fact, dinner, Africa born. And I did so
sometimes the big players fail to show up. So I said, yeah, sometimes the brain will do that. Or more, you know, so much missing from no year to one.
The last African best player, player of the tournament, Basago. Or China.
And I came.
We never have China, but way from Empoli to AC Milan, or Jimmy or
from relegation to AC.
Relegation to AC.
I'm building
we know that's one day, and never be players.
I took coin.
Why?
I took coin.
I took pray. On the day pray.
Can you have transfer window?
What will be your marketing?
This is as English teams now is slow.
Am I slow?
So
be out, man.
Yes, then that is the reason. I see me raving card. English teams now is slow because away from their performance there in the English Premier League in Ankasan. So share Europe so they are content with what they achieved. And again, so share Europe. Liverpool do fine. Spurs also come. As I speak to you, both teams are yet to lose any of their key elements. After some could drew on Champions League, Omoko drew the grand finale. Omon Lusu, Kessie bien from team. As I speak to say Liverpool Lusu, a big fish. Because normally what you expect, say, can Liverpool drew baby Sano? Maybe another Madrid beer will know about Pique Van Dijk be, or about Pique Salah be, or about Pique Sadio Mane be. Not a pushy for a replacement from Liverpool. But as I speak to you now, the core 11 of the Liverpool setup, no, Omunyan facing any exit, major exit, and honestly speaking, most social transfer rumors in the crana can a link it to the big fishes in the Liverpool setup. And to say your coach, your friend, the club, I dear Bako, and you pie how to improve on the quality on the bench. And can the quality on the bench in the 32, 29, I've got
more than a storage crop. And you say, oh, her bench now. The key one is the work origin. What of bench one for?
Can I say? The only portion you try to improve will be the bench. And this I say, Liverpool in totality.
I complete.
Can Liverpool in totality? How was the impact of Daniel Sturridge? They all come. Man, I know what they or do what team net sign. Then I know this team no what free team no kono. Ever team na more so. And again, club was so close to a perfect season. And team or they call perfect season. Olusu obia omo. Olusu any of the core. Into one or hand on sir. The other party say bia baby no so fall short. In the first 11 over tries over add. And honestly speaking, so I would say to Liverpool for now, they believe Oxlade Chamberlain will be a new signing because last season no said well, I said I'm Bobby because of injury. Into I be a new signing from them. Into just say Liverpool fans, no transfer window, no will not see much of them. On the part of Man City, the man who's the Rodri, and the other news surrounding Man City has to do with the centre back. Because Rodri then there was obvious Man City will instantly go in for a defensive midfielder. It's now Ndombele was in the transfer news. Now Shana, Frankie de Jong was also in the transfer news. Obetima Kositi Nabasa for Kofano. Rodri, Thomas Partey, even Saul Niguez. That discussion was ongoing. And Pep Guardiola after his post-season analysis realized that the best player for that particular position here was Kofano. And they're going straight for his buyout clause. And then negotiation, Yakutunaba. And on the Man City team. Because he realized that with Fernandinho at the age of 34, and also Man City last season, time I know more or more dinner no more the bubble and neighbor for me was when they were missing the services of Fernandinho. Because now you care Gundogan and Juma no obey as the defensive midfielder for the Pep Guardiola setup no na ni suro sa nti no oni abre say ye den obeko jaso akofo obi aba so and he went in for Rodri. The other portion here after some Vincent Kompany come and open another centre back aba so with the Man City team we lose to a centre back in the shape of Vincent Kompany into the upper centre back and another Fernandinho oh nyina na so po bi be si na nine into the going for Rodri we to another centre back ne ba. And now the other any outrageous signing because he is content with his team. Or so another kete and don't lose so yeah.
But Matuas, City for instance. Last season, I fall short. I'm on the semi-final of the Champions. And you said, "Okay, so content with the team now. Now I'm the domestic champions will be a ball man also." But my national said this season will be the Premier League and then the FA Cup and the League Cup and the BJJ. Pep Guardiola. This is a Champions League. A UEFA Champions League. So one J Champions League and this season. The success is near my way in England in England. Because the last time I J Champions League was spending close to 1 billion euros on transfers.
Yeah.
On GB.
Okay, I get your point.
When him say Jurgen Klopp, obey favor. But Champions League, I'm J Champions League as a top coach. He's a big coach.
The reason for
and Nema Guardiola in the last season, they were far from the but they will be every for the time. Liverpool for the Champions League in every year.
Man City's exit in the Champions League was not down to quality.
It was down to it.
And that quality in the Man City free more UEFA Champions League.
Yeah.
On the day, the coach upon post-season analysis will realize that on one case getting certain things wrong with his team or the boy. Now Man City falling short. Say there was a clear weakness in the Man City team. Say I had here. They talk Can help you get my point? And don't forget, say last season, Man City played without Benjamin Mendy in most of the games. Man City played without Kevin De Bruyne in most of the games. And to coach Nangaza Tanasia, Man City's anti-man perform for Champions League and an issue of quality. And can an issue of quality na mama coach Akwakoto. And as time goes on, I'll come to the other team. But issue of quality na mama coach Akoto. So maybe someone say, Man City team not to crow na he. Now why na maybe fana or bro the or hosu say. Until I'm talking about the Fernandinho Rodri replacement. Because Man City needs that. Last year was the chunk of Man City left back. A ball year, and Man City were not missing the services of Benjamin Mendy. And this season they are going in for him. So that is the difference between Liverpool and Manchester City and why they've been quiet on the transfer market. Because clearly the issue of talent and almost squad depletion him. Say be a team now on obi abetu to be a film, obi call retirement be, obi money man drop it. Last season Man City boys now we individual assessment. You will see an improvement in individual players. And the thing we saw last season was better than the previous season. And two Man City team now pick department by department. We saw an improved Leroy Sané. We saw an improved Raheem Sterling. Even as I speak to you, don't forget that Real Mahrez are born about Africa. Or Man City for bench. Jesus is not leaving because you know Brazil and Kun Aguero is still there. And the Man City team they don't be a defensive midfielder and the absence of company he going in for a centre back. But I'll call Barcelona. Now call Madrid. You realize that our performance we put up 2 seasons ago and our performance we put up last season apart from Madrid suffered a huge depletion in performance last season. The same thing goes to Barcelona. And nothing that both clubs our activeness in the transfer market is bigger than the major teams in England. Manchester United is having problems in attracting players because of UEFA Champions League. So almost the end of the whole. The same thing goes to Arsenal. Chelsea a transfer ban. Into after saying has that one Chelsea Kwakupobino because of the ban they've been slow. Spurs are going for Ndombele. But Barcelona. Last 2 seasons, Barcelona won the Copa del Rey. They won the Spanish La Liga. They had more points than they had last season. Last season, points are Barcelona in the league. As compared to last 2 seasons, there was a drop. Madrid drop in the crowd tremendous. because Madrid UEFA Champions League Ajax na yi omu free mu the Copa del Rey Barcelona yi omu free mu the Champions omu the third our league mu we all saw the number of points that Madrid lose yi omu pramu coach is 3 so they are undergoing a rebranding and a reproject and a new coach is done
the transfer market.
In rebuilding I'm starting to pick my top 3 would be Barcelona, Real Madrid and Juve.
Barcelona,
Madrid and Juve. But Ken, so what mean that delete? I count the defensive pair of Juventus is a huge sign because it's the next big thing when it comes to the centre back position. Juve now one send Lusu Bonucci, Lusu Chiellini.
Last season.
Oh, Ken.
Because last season, Omodu knockout stage, Ronaldo and Shea goes in here. Player BN was Shea go at the knockout stage from round of 16. I've been quarter final.
And there's been a change. There's been a change in coach.
So what it means is that so Omodu will be without Ronaldo now.
There's been a change in coach. So we are expecting an impact from the coach, no so.
Okay.
Because one way or the other, say best as coach, the no so chile so moon say, Omo ha one ba your coach into no man Allegri so. Omo in kita mo di no pe ba bi ni gina e. And I'm a Sarri aba. So sorry in one way or the other is a sign. No see a sign back on aba no. And it's understanding of the Italian game no so. At least last season, what mean the Chelsea Europa League. That is an improvement when it comes to the continental level.
Okay.
So my top 3 in the as time goes on, Madrid is undergoing a rebranding. We do with Coach Barcelona. Madrid, Juve, Barcelona. These are my top.
Maswell.
When it comes to Barcelona.
I knew so better.
I think he has it.
But you better interview being there and changing and the company better than more. It's a 3-day pause, you know. Once they say no one echo. What design be up if you're better about the you feel what them walk around your mouth. Say a horn, I won't bet my bed or person. You say the one echo. You know, between come Salenko fear. Salenko and a double so Ewofiana the one is a double the other day more be a free under 14 under 12 under 15 a tournament today watch and double am oh pen crash said oh mom to say oh crash
what's in here mom
that be one crash said about number say I'm under 15
now that was on Okla
that one oh
yeah can't long
oh
sir why in Okla
there is sir
yeah double boy Ken me were 2 issues on Madrid and Barcelona about Gareth Bale and Neymar but my main start to Neymar then also say 90 million Dembele Coutinho na team the boom so they go for one player and go for baby says I then now we be bringing a door so do but me Maxwell no me who say no endorse Ken the end endorse no say me hwe ni na me fan say ni na be cost be 300 million we be ka say na 300 million na ko to egu ba ke me nim say ye boka ya de you understand it's when you're ready so best spend it to a certain level sometimes success is so emma but the Eddie kind said this is not the first time I'm the players e the akaska ho akofa bi me kai say Zlatan Ibrahimovic o free Inter ko Barcelona omudi ska kan a top player like Samuel Eto'o so ekoi and we had Eto'o level at that time now minim de ba na nye bi ne Coutinho ne your friend say Dembele it clearly it is not the first time there is a precedent in now a be esida now say oh sha the Barcelona yes and say omo approach no omo short term medium term and a long term projects but Neymar de no kin a short term the man is short term ne say senka a long term nko meka so okay yenya abotre Dion Beba Ata Beba ye di ba be kan e bia the next 10 years no ye betumi abetake the whole Europe eno no and it's a medium term on make us okay yenya abotre ma Coutinho any Dembele say Griezmann abekam enti omo bona acha next year 2 or 3 no eni o ma befa back in the Barcelona for ni here no a short term measure short term they say for 5 years no monje Champions League it's a big shame to them because they feel like at least they have the greatest player in their side. At least they're a big club. If you're Madrid, pen compete. It with the level of our Liverpool, because Liverpool have been to the final and they've won it the second successive year. This season, nobody knows team or no so best sorry. Now Real Madrid is okay, come on. And I was with the same your friend is saying team your friend in Liverpool eba waka say City so man je Champions League now be so me a failure Tottenham from nowhere eba be air force it is a oman ye bibi no mo tell so ye dey Barcelona no mo ready ye je treble ye or Messi akin nyoma beha they also want to compete and win so the be your level no will be there. So if that is the case there, Dembele Coutinho buy no. Omo to me am Barcelona I drew that level na. The answer is no. If no there then why na be to me aboa e me ye drew that level on the short term ye be Champions League akwa ni afi na be 10 years. They need to go for Neymar. Enti the obi ehwe bia right. It move feel say wrong. It move feel say right. But me ni omo ya adwen say a short term measure no mo befa. Ebi aye omo kick it on next season now pack they need to go for the charge 2 seasons it has to come. It is a when your Griezmann and Neymar back one not a Messi back one possibility so to me and win higher but ebi I will try say Griezmann and Messi fine they can win but with Neymar the possibility to be much higher than that. It doesn't go for when they say omo Barcelona for what they are thinking they say any money mu ya no e was omoji no mo so etumi di omo level on the edeko. If that is the case that they really need to spend it's on that level there can I bless the move with Neymar coming back to Barcelona. But say Bianca long term no more head here. Nken the more head the late money ade na nko mo into me enko. Can we are na ba Gareth Bale asem. On say a brief history. On say Bale angasa or start as a defender. It was Saddam thing. On so mba no you relegate to our Premiership. No. Peter Crouch any to Walcott and it was our team no be a movie. Into about Tottenham no. Not a ball as left back, number 3 position, but not a ball left wing back, no Bonnie. But no, near be more because not Benoit so a Koto, that Cameroonian and name. Ain't a Koto a pride, and no mu you soon no ever that position. Now that week, you know, what me call on Koji player of the week. And we have born or born or bent, and a Koto buy now to win Betty Bill. And on pushy Bill corner him, I read up na and a farmer Bill. Into 2-time player of the year ever England and yet small achievement within 3 years. Young player near Dingina Ebem. It's in 2013 no move call Real Madrid with a fee of around 100 million euros. So they buy euros. Yes, you made a statement so buying a Madrid status or more kicking on. That is true because the first season with Madrid now the Champions League they came home. But it took Ronaldo some 4 years before the Champions League came. Even it took him some 3-4 years before the league came. If he Bale back on my team no and a team didn't have success because Bale about 231 matches in the Real Madrid in 6 seasons. And he can say, oh, he said season be an about 38.5 matches ever from because season over big team like Madrid and what they have been winning in competitions or more. Fanny said in on 60 matches. It is a player and about 38 ever from due to injuries. But even that one, they've won 13 trophies within the 6 years. What it means is that they win at least a Soccer season beyond Muji 2. It's a Bale inclusion. Our Madrid has been great. And most especially in the Champions League. Because the last Champions League Muji free Juventus or from the bench buying, he really did a massive job. It's my president to be pay nothing. But coach also pay Bale because Bale is selfish. One Bale only ball but one thing I have Bale so or you're very, very self-centered or selfish. On yet too much of a team player. And sadly, no, over the years, now make say Bill Ebehano. Say, yeah, no Anka King, or be a fantastic player, but or you're very selfish. Ebi honest, who's a Bill Jiboa? How would you see say Bill Jiboa or locate Ronaldo no Debbie? And a Real Madrid or BB's na dear home back where MNS may take you over and say, self set or more selfish kakra. Because over here MNS now, name my Jiboa, or bet to me a but not her baby a Messi befa. Messi or her baby a Suarez or her baby a name a befa. Until there was that understanding. But we mo train Uyi Benzema, Obianya Bono Paso Koshe, Adebako, the Emma Zidane, MP Garbil no that thing. And no Sako Park and so their coach in the back so yeah exactly no. Sometimes no to me yet different things or pay. And Bill and yet consistent. King in no mouse solid performer to me say, yeah, this is Bill. Adebechina Obeka say yet the same Bill no. Until on non Zidane a core because Zidane decrease Ronaldo ntina because he's able to manage Ronaldo well. Oh, new Ronaldo has a match with me my own body as here. Bebo we man no results normal Bill enko. And the president rule said Eddie. Akwa we buy no. Any who see a team enti me so me be say Ronaldo na kon Sergio Ramos bem. no beka so Ronaldo kono betumi abobo, but which was a lie. What happened was that Zidane resigned here. Now Real Madrid are you almost failing. It is not said the players are not good. But Zidane call, you know. Now Madrid ain't here top level coach because the players are top level players. And no more settle on mediocre coaches. Or more be manage top level players. That was the problem. Oh, a mediocre. Say oh here almost naturally. Oh yeah, over to me coach in Spain, but okay now over to me coach in Spain, but just we a big coach. Hey, opportunities. Because in any case, oh sha, Spain team na never honor. Even when the more bia or ye good kakra did you ube to me IBB. But as say okay Lopetegui in coaching na can he be on a level where he. But say what has he got in what or stand there for them? That is what Solari Moon in a normal level no from. That is what Madrid failed to do. It is done ever back no. Na clear say Bill being a problem. It's in the agents in the Bennett all casa maintenance. And the first name so is so only player this as a massa. Papa Bill being a problems here in future. But then mom dear tini came me no. Bill no who so no a top player.
That's what a top player.
Yeah, he is. He's a top player. Into uncompromised with the level. It will go for Tottenham be bar or bet you know about to be a member Tottenham member because Tottenham project no entice Bill. Again, which are some of the teams? In team ideal ebe Manchester United, but currently born no more bonny projects na entice. Now Chelsea money buying money Liverpool money adeno and so expressing interest. It is a bill yes Chinchina King or Bekwa. He will end up with a lower club to say Tottenham near. That's why he doesn't also want to go. Until Obe stay until say ABA agent be working ABA as a Juventus be Bansana Wako. Either than that there say bill because the coach in Hakachro say Masanka free team no man can I think some more baby man.
That's why I care for. We shall boy no baby.
There be man in the
boy be plan. Guy be a fit. Fit pass or so sitting as on kaso bi am. Okay. Andy, na go there. No. Yankwe.
Well, okay. Time in and yes anka me hwe Rodrigo Asema Sergio Ramos catch no nam they compare.
For room kakra.
Remember they've not won the Champions League 13 times just because of accidents. It is not because they signed Roman Copa, Ferenc Puskas, Francesco Gento, Zinedine Zidane, Raul Blanco Gonzalez, Predrag Mijatovic, and a host Rui Bardano and a host of other players, Cristiano Ronaldo, Gareth Bale, Marcelo. But Ken, idea Sergio Ramos kind of idea of an orientation, and then no, and they did those players, drew that level with such mentality. Oba Real Madrid ni share training ni share what yetiba akwa ye mose. That is the level of Madrid. They don't worship mediocrity. It is the reason why Cristiano Ronaldo will score 3 goals. Obenabo, Gareth Bale being on farm and not supporters Bruno. It is the reason why Ike Casillas Sadio obey nyina or ye mistake ba akopɛ supporters Bruno. It is the reason why Sergio Ramos mistake obey nyina supporters Bruno. It is the reason why Zinedine Zidane the ball of Boma Madrid now, the least mistake of Beno, supporters will boo him. That is the level of Madrid. On more accepted performance be out the baby and if you are a big team, so person team near stable, person team near up there. If you want your team to be consistent, if you want your team to be compared among the best in the game, don't worship mediocrity. And because a performance be a diamond be a yenesa. And Rodrigo is just a young boy coming through the ranks of the Villa Belmiro Academy. He's not a star in the Brazilian league, just 18 years of age. And when you chance about Real Madrid or ball games in a preseason. Preseason are just for conditioning, confidence, and technical and tactical awareness. And can we go in the Bayern Munich game? Ken, and can you obeti play and I say that celebration now all and no. But that is the standard of Madrid. From the word go, Wabano. Sergio Ramos as a captain in the sharp brand team. So this is a team that have won Champions League 13 times. This is a team that have seen some of the greatest in the game at the Bernabeu. And your performance be an your boy and Seman in Madrid. In the king, bless you be brave to me a Real Madrid. Sami Kadira Muko Real Madrid, no be a one in Seman more that. At the end of Real Madrid supporters who Cristiano Ronaldo, it implies they've seen quality, they've seen top quality, they've seen world beaters, and they've seen players who can be paired among the greats.
Inti asema Ramos aka kire eye Rodrigo no mfa. Elsewhere in Ghana, it is entirely different. Senegal for kodu final no hwe sa. Oman di si a omo na etese Senegal for no finals no makoba akope. In Ghana here, your tournament ba na edu final na e be check no be edi atem. The reason is that we've seen top quality and we've seen trophy, we've seen finals. Inti ye mama so biya so. That is the level of Madrid. And only idea a branch friend Sergio Ramos and a branch friend Rodrigo goes to me. And I feel that is a good advice. And a branch friend Rodrigo pick again. And he might be me a see the man. Now to Frank Lampard. Coach Bia. So what the team manner? That's all a former player. Okay. A dear man had a course number 1. And he said, what is his philosophy as a coach? The philosophy no opeke from the previous coach. And that's open if you on the year Juma and opeke that philosophy ni eho e free yana. So she Carlo Ancelotti. O free Palmer. Anybody team your friend AC Milan. O buy no who say this is a Milan team. After winning the Champions League in 1994, and Athens, I brought Barcelona by 4 goals no. Omo team ni team ni stable bio and omo team ni team nkoka Europe bio nti kwan be na obefa so a obetimi akonka Europe okay. Straight away and who so no Ancelotti in the Arrigo such team player no boy in midfield was Frank Rijkaard. It's the team now obe successful there. Then idea also is to make sure so he will need a player that will bring steel and balance to the midfield of Milan in the Christmas tree system. Now coach Carlo Ancelotti bono Inti one or they got to buy and on the Virginia and Fifi. So on only acted as an anchor man in midfield.
Okay.
Pep Guardiola before Barcelona no who said that from the young craft school. You need a deep line playmaker as number 6 and yet destroyer as number 6. And on this side you would get by. Zinedine Zidane. I before Real Madrid team now. And I came on the new channel. And who said, Tama no over finance or Hampden Park in 2001-2002. No. It was Claude Makélélé who was anchoring the midfield for no Zidane for him to exploit the midfield. It's the team be successful. Carlo Ancelotti did the Sami Khedira more at the trophy. But Khedira the coach now stick it to Abrante Ayefeno, Toni Kroos and Luka Modric in midfield. Into no Zidane about he will need a holder in midfield to be an anchor man. You know the Casemiro Beshim. Zidane Barry Madrid do more apart from managing the stars. You know the Casemiro Beshim made for him. He won 3 Champions League. Frank Lampard about Chelsea. Before Obeban, coach and now was Mauricio Sarri. The philosophy is different. Lampard the Ajuma under 13 coaches at Chelsea. Some coaches know you or no me Ajuma now. A dear amount we are successful and how did they build their teams in terms of midfield play? Time another Lampard able finals against Bayern Munich or Allianz Arena. Let me kill Obina able 6 man. Time another Lampard able finals or Amsterdam Arena in the Europa Cup finals with Benfica. No, David Luiz na they holding me for the man. Time Frank Lampard, Jose Mourinho. I buy our successful at Chelsea. No, it was Claude Makélélé and it was Michael Essien. Omen and they holding me for the man Frank James Lampard.
King. And never be saying I'm going to somewhere job on
the What I'm saying is that Lampard about or better checking the midfield of Chelsea. Or better idea betting me a season and idea of and balance in the midfield play. Or Abrante Feni Kovacic. Or Abrante Feni Jorginho. Or Abrante Feni N'Golo Kante. So she N'Golo Kante. Did you get the chance actually the team I know Bobby or Juventus no? And the team that he played with France in 98 and in the finals with Juventus Madrid in 98 no? You know who said that be? Or say N'Golo Kante should be the anchor man because on another boss Aro no Edema France, on another that row no Edema Juventus, no N'Golo Kante basis. And then Frank Lampard who said, "What's Barcelona? It is not the end of Chelsea. It is not just confidence in the deba, but for you to get the technical and tactical awareness. Quite Ben Abe first to arrange your team on the field of play. He's not going to the Mauricio Sarri role, no, because on yet typically an attacking minded coach. Or your coach, he shut up the shop and he won't balance in midfield. It is straight away. On no Lampard Makélélé boy. On him Abrante Ayefeno Makélélé boy. On him Mikel Obi boy. It is all the balance in midfield that straight away. You go in for a destroyer, no place a passer jet behind him or a controller jet behind him. Into the reason why Lampard saw a 4-2-3-1 formation. Meaning, say games to be a best, but the reason why he's going for a double pivot.
Coaches now over 10 coaches of former some more. I got Chelsea one and I was 4-2-3-1.
Chelsea has always been a 4-3-3 team. Apart from Antonio Conte, but no Lampard and demand him. Chelsea has always been a 4-3-3 team. And not Chelsea they ball on winning. But I'm saying that in their midfield, a queen of fat to show they always place a holder, a destroyer, a tackler, a player who brings steel and an anchor man just in front of the defense.
But now you're many bars and I'm especially jogging do now. Or the boss opposition, you say we need some more day no. Just go to country. But because I said Chelsea bought no more crab on the pre. Say another son of Fusi Crown, Chelsea for the Crabby. And you say players are not your mobile or jogging. Kovacic goes back. Kennedy will have. Even Tammy Abraham, no crying, yes, strike. I say, or your side players almost with me, Bejabono, Pedro, Antonio Rudiger, David Louis, Ikrabwa, Marcos Alonso. I have a chance to work on the team this is in a only weakness on the captain. 1-on-1 or a suspect. 1-on-1 or a suspect.
Can there be on weakness near our front?
Fine. But what's say number 2 and number 3 no? But I couldn't trouble.
You could naturally.
There be John Penson Modi and a buy crack. When it is a say in Americana or corner over, say or qua. Who would you to first panel to me cross the ball? Say defending 1-on-1 or say play be or to be catching the Caribbean. No, the neco.
Can Chelsea team here that way? The weakness can even be the coach. What's it, Frank Lampard? He can be the weakness.
None of me impressed about Lampard.
Pre-season.
Kakrana.
Can pre-season. Manchester United home team Barcelona 4-0 pre-season. Champions League fan home share my 3-2. Simple. English team so what's the deal man? Almost pre-season all we on by job to condemn this year, but in share of big state they cannot home team survive. I'm saying that. It's the last time we trainer. I'm saying that. On the field of play and in terms of the technical awareness of the players, Cesar Azpilicueta can be a weakness depending on the rule Frank Lampard pesa obo. So obo Pedro one anima. The opesa Pedro here say in terms of recovery, Pedro must support no. It depends on a player obo born on the right side of his central defense. So obo Rudiger on the right side of the central defense. Nipa na oda on say kase yen kobo 1-on-1 onyade.
Okay.
So in that stage you need to support him. And again, Lampard weakness there, he can be the Lampard himself. It can be Olivier Giroud, it can be Azpilicueta. But this season, in such as the third and half of they will be okay. They only need to just be okay with the quality around because they don't have the mental.
Chelsea League this season.
I will be very, very sorry.
How much Champions League?
Can me next say I see football being seen done me.
Ah, na Tottenham go final.
Yeah, they can. And yet Tottenham go final last season. One, they have a good coach who is proving, and we are 1. 2, in terms of quality and balance in the Tottenham team. Can Tottenham will bobo no more to be at a bed, no young better than in 4 and 5. No more.
Antonio Rudiger, David Louis, and your pay.
Came back, send me. Oh, to be at a bed, young better than Davidson Sanchez on the bench. One at the Chelsea bench.
Kezuma, which
okay, we mismatch.
Yeah, friends, Andy, but you never say because you have fear your own semi brew, fear bedding come on. But I say, yeah, Juma, because Juma here. Junior may come limited and paying for Yami out my Thursday. And somebody buy a canning out your water and about we obey 10 minutes idea share and then we nipper be brave. Moti and canning out your water, ya. Oh, do fear towers or do fear conference or 100 Majina because we're doom. Casman FM, I idea Cecilia make us say forms to be all. We bet in our picket. We're a 3-day posse. I answer the 3 days pay any business. We are where we brown and another ball bra. Well, cross over to me at Unia. Maybe come up by Boko, dear Salenko. Now, what to say?
I came a wolf.
So saying, I didn't know how.
Said your boy is see a ball. Yeah. As somewhere that 2-3 times I am saying, I won't cry because you appear manatna bench. Yeah, I am very uncalled for. Uncalled for. And I need this.
So, when I hear Thursday over and San Juan idea here, but the Bianca and San Juan be breeding so we in 3 years, 4 years in a way, 5 years and up on. But our 3-day position is about woman. Be I in the field, call the field chef for more. obi wa ne de wa ne sa swimming pool obi wa ne de flag bi obi wa design ye ne fe uru obi dem kura na so uru wa obi office me company bi office na say uru office wa seriously one way
nice
o we ka so o ton so mo because ade na wa ye wo no ni na 3 day post 3 days pa mo de chew ama so bi ho Thursday ya wo de ya menim wedding pay for chi aba ade so ni mo yi pa menim de oba ka cha Ghana for
yo mini akin nyame nshira bebre e manage pa say masa twawo Silver FM
o to na na no ya
oh king say na me ye campaign time a obu ami ye nyina say man wi ni be ma me how what ya say so James ska say ben o didi me ho kwa still na no ma kwa side
na o ko pe MP one way ni
man wi ni be ma me how say man wi ni the whole can be ma me bet someone how king wo hwe dumadi ya ginya me dia bana na chese ade enwanwaso chese adwuma yemfa afi ana asem fi menu enisua ni mu wo se nansa na obo mama ne ese nansa me manji na chinye sanse before then no wo toilet ade bi o kira frashi ya na ayira ni bi na ayira ni bi no echire no sa frem se salinko me kire ade bi na ayese carpet no esen obi dem a otia so asen so aso obi nam wonam ahoma bi tintinti bi so na wo ya to fom nam se eno so wo ho nimdie wo se ame wo afa medical bar Fosua Hotel o Kesbrin ho a conference o akoe na akire nkrofo a o ma ye bi o mu nyina ni age salinko selfie we ya no de ne dia akire selfie na
no twa selfie
nam se bra me di wachi wate na mapotevru no ama ye mrantie ne ye maba wa nyansa no dwumaken na nsia nyame ye madom ma metumi tutu kwan kaka
o kwam to de what you be
ya na ukoduru a wo hwe omo bre omo de meje no because obi a pesese be okoye adwuma bi a onnim honim de no wanya kakra be me free se yenuanom etumi asua sa de we omo kokuru bi aso omo mre omo ko ba bia nso a omo mre omo de meje because eno ne ade a aba technology ne nso no enya de a eye dindindin ti wa nko school kura o kire wa obehu what you say sabe ayi ete say yes di fufu twa ne say na nkuma ne da na de afa ha na chesa ha si ha so twa ne tia se de be ya kese betima ko ye mfa nko kese twa ne tia on de meche nti wo sa adwene we ya wo betena wa ne a kire de ye no na nso akoye master 3 days
3 days
3 days
na no me ne ye na me be say 3 days no mo be ho ba o sa mo practical training no mo ye na eye wo na wo banana ye chi wo na wo
nice one
wa na wo ye wo to o mo de nyama ni na ade ama
nice one
no mo che o ye we na wo ye uwia na ade ato na wo wasan ye foforo
wasan ye
na wasan ye foforo
wasan ye ti nya ade ti aye
3 days be na wa ye bebre afi wo sa
na wo ko ana wonim ade ba ko a ewo ho ne se me ne guy ne ntrance ma ne nka brofo da na obi a wasebe onche dan ka brofo akọ school so wose won va brofo nche dan nye na adwuma pa no na se wo kire wo asebe wan ko school ni bi kra da se na be wo be kire wo what you say emfa brofo obi se na man ko school na se yo de dabi
ma me sa mo bo no ba no dem na mo pese omo phrase si ya no on betimi afre because nyame ya doma ya wo de ya 0248 900 502 0248 900 502 and san dwuma bia no we chen we wunya ya wa de obi ntimi njim fi wonsam 0248 900 502 and good news awom ne say unwie ya no utimi koye bi wo dem ho wa ba bia wo da no utimi ko na wakoye wo
ake na de wo no ho ne say owie mu training no na mu hu ye 3 days ni wie no de certificate ma wa asema o ka kire wo ne say ubetima ye bi wo table a de gina ka akwan ho a wo moto ubetima ye bi wo so bi wo pese wo de ne map pictures to so ohun de menche amanfo ni se form nko ne ye no ohun amanfo ni se form nko ne ye be utimi ye bi wo wo yi ho se ye ba mo design mo ha kama utimi ye bibi sa wono amma wo ideas ya wo kwa abontena ubetimi de aye adwuma
apese o mo se dan so panyin bi de o mo koye ma na kenko mo ka sa fam abo kenko na wase abeka so mbi kenko obi adu wa obi sa abo na wo
se sa panyin o mpese na japa de obecha ma na manya bi listen fala ni na be dan teken men ko ano se men
obayi bre nti na mi atoma ya woda jumadi no bebrebe ni nyina no se nipa no bebre aba
Ebaso na response ni very massive.
Na so we dey chance
very
ni
massive.
nti me
Mesra mo woyɛ nipa bi a te sɛ dabo a ensi wɔ ne enyi osika. Na no asi wo beti
sorry na mo me bi mic am e kaka okwa aha abani nti
Ken, but you know, I respond to you very massive. Let's just say Ghana for ya chere. Ya chere say ya pe duba keke. Ya chere say ya ni etini. Eti kwofo baba be fa forms no mo do so yie pa. Ya chere ma chrom na nam say enne we have just 2 days away. Ama Thursday na du ama adi na du ntino. And then the year kadidi na and ya chere say wo be fa forms no ya 100 cities. And a practical fee no e ya 500 cities. Wo frechire na eba ubetua 50 Ghana cedis dia ka ho na edi bia soso dia high hotel mo adaw for 3 days.
Oh, so obi free. So for so free bro half for baby na.
Good.
The hotel fee mo be 50 cedis.
50 cedis.
Na mo de bia soso
50 cedis. Nice hotel with full air condition.
And yes, said you will never.
Aha. Anything no enya da top obi dia du kotunda bi nice full nyanya. Na wo danu adu se na be ya see a child because you do 3-day intensive practical training. It's your first day now. Crowd and no matter to go to it. You don't go to baby basa. Ni na be say Johnny. Jamaica Achase. Ni na be say Johnny. It's a 3-day intensive practical training. Na me aduma test day and baso. A 3D epoxy. 3D epoxy. And next said you di kaka no. And then terrazzo no hobby. And the totals biom ena ade ama na dwuma no edoso ne se de bia be na dwuma ne bia ne se eno no awo fom ne bo no wo fom e cheaper than the task
ne bo nya di
ena esa din se task jeme ko aja se
40 years
good it is a task be nya 5 years anu betimi anya 30 years ena no se bia person sesa no a you don't need so be break daddy eno ane se hey me pesa me de Silver FM for emblem me de beto me be yam ayi
na wasan dia faso
no asan dia faso ya san dia faso ni ayama kama ni amman the glassy effects etu obi gina kire hu ni say enso de da papa no ensu ni pool on the bedroom or da bi ene su ni pool eye 3D epoxy ni yaye papa de yakoya kenko ne de no yakwasesa no yakwakwasa na bato mu nwie wa che deserve bi eye nature ene ye de kokoye na de net ye ne say enam say 3D and yeah, I see the party the dinner hall on say mirage. See a mirage out here, see a tear for mirage. Say, who shall there be? I say, sure the baby, but over banning in so there be 3D insanity. What child who see ya? Now I deny say, what child who ye just say technology after that. You're quite to fancy to me, and you say Ghana 49. Last year, ni pay DP. Ambassador house na ne bru adwene atia na video mama ba no etesa eti number ni nie 0248 900 502 0248
to book na me ya
okay 0248 89 00 502 0244 02 0051 51
na be one okay
0244
yeah
02 0051 yes actually ekwan ya afa so obe market ho so say ade ne ye nese bi e kire ono nko o ye kire ono mapi eti ewia ye be kire okwan ya obe market ho a se wo hye tokro bi kwa okofo be ba be je ene ye susu no ya advertise bia ne se wa hai eti okofo frey eti wo western region se aduma bi teto ho a ye no ane se delegate ye so aduma we aba ha duba be 5 kwa na kwati sika fa gu botom wo ye ni na na market ho ene adia eti ye se momra ya mi aduma test
0248 900 502 0248 900 502 0248 900 502. Me pacho Gianni Campbell Limited. We dey nyame adoma Thursday. Me so anya Thursday no na afi na wo kwa forms ni yi. Because so send nem copy mo china na we obi bia. Na nyame adoma o mo china akwa chiro. Na bibia so ya. I say and son to my a man for social be no one said 3 days the day nyame no kwani ne we dey nya fe na
only 3 days only 3 years after one ho o pese o ko na o master house
na me ba Salemko 3 day pause no ne twi yesa
okay so yes here the battery mu e kwa be wakata kete go be check here pause no nsan wa be training ni di ohun de meje media me pemu a nka men say ye nyina akoye abusuafo dem fan wi wa ye mwa ye ho na ma me kwa mentia na na ba fo ba
mate na Joseph na obasa kontasi bi ma na MP no
me pese me consider mpanyimfo ne kakra hwe na nado ene former president o mani bre ne wo hai o ko twintwo ma na mo dukura tia nti ya za aka we 4 years we pese we go 4 we nso pese obe na sama ama de am nche dan tia
asa ko di president o se MP no be san ko da
e be gume ni ma se
ye wo kana na yi ano na de ko shana na do ni able mama ni able president na ko o se president na ko ye se MP no ye ni ano ye ni na ye hu di ri si akire e wi akire ni pe di na chi anyway okore na ba ata no wale an ko ne ne yire wo bika ko he no obia o na fofo we na ni pa be 3 o se 4 no ko to abani edi DMP ni mi akuse
me da se ye me answer
to ma no musa
oh me ko bo gala nya se mate se obebo wo ne be bo gala
wo gala
da bunti me sia da spende ko bo gala nya ho be ni nyina no se be akoye kwa
o man to abana ma
obo
ya fancy o na yes I'm madam say ti na me kampala me tell am for sa ye gana no nsem so de ba ta quick one ye mrem kakra na ye hwe ye nsem ba ko aye mi bi ense osafo do boko de
kina ko pada wa ke bi ai ka
na fancy ne bre
Ken Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ken Paradise drinking water
okay
and the sponsor
King Samoa mo
ai
doggy
doggy mu
dollars
Ken ko be 5 months ni sikama product ma enti kotokwa and sansu iska eto nsuo ema players no e wo training grounds paradise 5 months ni sikama
no money gun
wa mo ni Ghana
I'm quite
why as am no say no or pay for more running company no
say everybody you know
ai but en can say o mo na because I have been o sponsor team no scientist ka e ko to nsuo
paradise issues or more issue that Asante ko company there and ko campaign for baby on your module but minimum kakra about paradise you go to a time here so my be say on betimi abakumase seriously so ne bi ni koma in so ye ntom bi okumase and almost sponsor club no so okumase and so no be so akra this amaje no mo so bi ayi e dia banti business no mo ye no meaning say do baby akoro for better mo se kakra so mo consider mo e be den because en kan so no okumase a ha na team no obi kura hu so kotokofo nso o mo nom ni a koro supporters dey bia no kombe de kombe to bi but omo mi e bi okroma and omo san sponsor club no enti kotoko mo match asa period akotoko mo match bia no mo ma ha nti ema de na ye den kakra seriously do ba bia omo your sponsors ye nti omo ase kakra edin kakra
be hard so mo tiska san ko different product omo competitors
eba
na omo e dey ama players no Ken Kwame Conte Bonsu say why Esperance player menyane tie say was sign 3 years e dey ama Esperance na Ken sika PM no me titi bibi say $134,000 $134,000 and no any sika Esperance me titi so metua e dey ama Kumasi Asante Ekotoko. Ndike, me some kakra.
Well, I mean you one report from airport last Sunday see where ma paradise. O see in so dey ba but it's ka seminar no mom I do by the amount.
But me checks no checks in soon.
But me be about something because you go to a time. Many of my saying, can you be? Yeah, can you
best advice.
Nanka somewhere jam make sure somebody machines in the into Kotoko Kruma. In soon be Kruma. Inti be a sense on me Kruma crown.
And no crabby to take care of it. No more crabby to me at Toma.
Very good. Inti answer see a Thomas Edding. Edding lazy. Because of since we be okay. That's it. Andy, Brakakana young has argued because not much no players be your market. No much entry. Now there.
Can I only change the complexion?
And then again, Martin entry so transfer.
I cannot transfer under Sika.
But it is a coach be our player. Obey to be cool.
There we can. It's still LDC. Said they almost mushy and mean to find their job.
But the point is, there's some Kakano team, one hour talent to the crown. It's just a yellow. Into a can't be a credit in the appreciation.
Ken, on said Martin Entry excellent game against Nkana. CK Bar for now on the team now starting. I will games in Now, I think he scored 3 goals before almost a campaign. I say. CK first game against Kariobangi. About Martin Entry navigator. Jordan Opoku. About 4-2-3-1 setup. Martin Entry operating the hole behind navigator after.
Maybe the position, what position?
Ken Martin Entry here. And the position there. He is a player who can play just behind the striker, number 7, number 11, number 10.
But our pitch and so on. So we pretty on the left and on the right and our middle now. Who is so effective because we bet in our baby. But if I will be never be a freedom.
Okay, Martin Entry, I bet me at the left side wins and I'll be never be a freedom. He had a solid game in baby American against Kariobangi or He came back. And I'll be born in Kana Martin. Solid game, solid game, and he scored a cracker against Nkana with that free kick. Kotoko born Kana Martin the way here Omoko Zesco United. He was dropped. Now me baby am tia. Me question Sika kon say I didn't know my drop poor brand friend Martin Entry because again play out in the first game want me amo onya chance mobile. And I wouldn't buy into one miss about 3-4 games in a competition. Ubuy na was share a cracker against a Nkana. Straight away the momentum is back, the confidence is back. It just the Akai give him playing time. And a coach need the free. Or Samba back Biono was a game against a Wash Ashanti Godua. An average performance. Or Sako off. And King. So players are not Koto now. Chance and no model better because from his play. Koto register kwa me Omako Kevin, Omako for Kevin Ando. Omako for Godfrey Esiama. Omo Abranti Phil Mano Jensen. So on the flanks there are 4 players. 4 players no maso ba kumai. If he comes in it should be 5 from the flanks. Yes 32. There we okra there no. Onyane ne medical no really number into the Sameka. Because
okra so hostel account. Unjomotritis.
I can't be. You are waiting for the medical report.
A medical report.
Yes, and I know what it again. 5 players. And I'm at an entry eka ho amana baby 6. In pecking order. Say Juma no wo. Kotoko imano jamfi dada. Omo kwa mo hin dada. Omo ma so ba ko dada. And I'm a Kevin Ando go for the same account. E na 5. Wonso wo hobby. It is 6. You started 2 players. Obviously, opposition won kwa Kotoko asane 3. If I'm to take the Oakland for example, opposition almost had 4 players. Obviously, say who team now order that. Now we need be money as 4 players about opposition can be that.
But material analysis now where you now. One material said the first game and Kuyi. Now if you don't you film can normal body be. A woman or buy against Nkana. No one of the best players. Almost cause the school and Kobe. I feel no was saying I review. I'm a general transfer. And now Banana over Bobia. Excellent. Not to say what nice idea and your player no. I said your man about 3-4 games to be had here. yeah man for because your players a lot of opportunities for koto players ni bi wa yes obi a tinka say enko yi ba sara na obugu so yeden ada no no na dia ndi o man no coaches ni bi am na sa chance no at least on mo be 3 consistently on month so be
Ken, one, you are fighting with players who are politically stronger. Oh, baby, politically in the team, they are stronger than you. Maso Bakoye one. He's a fan favorite. He's the chairman favorite. Emmanuel Jemfi is a fan favorite. He's the team favorite. He's the coach favorite. Kwame Boy, he's a Kumasi boy. Inconsistent performance, but politically he's stronger. Martinez, you are benching a beer Musasa into one movie. Nobody wants. Nobody. Unless so we are part of the Kotoko team or we are analyst or what follow Kotoko team at the training ground. And no one's our performer and your money movie. Obiya Musasi. In the can he's only players are politically and in the team in terms of performance. Obesadi and what to say or performance no play the results or money na diamano. Who checking in pecking down, pecking order. Or money now was rochain. In the can there's no way and looking at our coaches are only confident to even pick players to play roles. You struggle.
Meaning the own because I baby I'm share your name and one but I'm the actually more. Martin and Chidiano. I'm more renfi, ye gala be double under 15, my come was him. And Yasim Katua Ewokruma. What is your bogala bia? I am paying for the bogala. We am crank to a school for almost it's a double. Correct is a double in your mobile. We are welcome. Double one. You didn't come a crow.
Okay, now we are still looking at Kotoko Road to Africa. And we're into me and Shane Seven. Me medical after saying Moscow, and I made a statement say I want to see another right back or Kotoko team. Because I said no. Say me nyan Kotoko cover right back. And on Sunday, Kotoko team no, I boy in first 11 no. Coach needs to sign. And all the for Beshim. I'm more maintaining was Augustine Sefape and Pem da Costa. And I'm maintaining Jordan. But in the second half, we Prince or my Prince I could be Jordan film and a Richard Atta agent him. From a Chiriho, Edibesi and Nimhono. 4 players and a second half no mobile back. Out of Safon, Jordan Ephraim. So I was expecting say the next possible right back for Kumasi Asante after Augustine Sefa. I am so play somewhere from Pom. Somewhere from
Penda Costa, Untimin for him.
No, Penda Costa is a centre back.
But Untimin more, Untimin correct side. Okay.
Oh, you're centre back. He's a centre back. And currently, as I speak to you, Abdul Ghani, you a pra. Into from goalkeeping department, me not sure so be a bad dodge, unless they are fellow. And they be a discussion about goalkeeping department, about a topic. But the first position after the goalkeeping department is right back.
Maybe Master, what do you man Penda Costa?
Yeah, very well.
Right back, no movie
there. Say, a favorite position.
That's the word.
Until Wabano, second Konyana some so as early as possible.
Yes.
Because yeah, quite Africa.
So if you are looking for a perfect player, say will be your ball left back or ball right back, you can improvise. But on paper, as I speak to you, say I'm not gonna say. Because center back position, you know, Abdul Ghani were pra. News coming in, just I possible say Kotoko first game around 9th, 10th, no, I have on your fully fit for the occasion. Until you're not in free or there's no way over Guinea say, oh, the Ampem da Costa try or right back. You keep him at the center back position. Until Augustine Sefa. So I was expecting at least say, Coach Mama Sam from Power Boka Kram Hasha. But Sefa born 90 minutes, no.
But it's how Wingers, say any bread back, coach me to convert to Wingers about.
We are talking about what they always say. They are boy, who is Sefa. And Sefa is super. But Ken Osha got last in Africa. Now, she genuine competitions about Africa. The gap between your first player and the possible replacement should not be huge.
Yes.
This time there's any
Sir, the Auburn. Any dear only wow Obama Barman and you can say so. Habibu Swambo. So maybe him say coach in Guinea say, obey you so Habib as a right back, dear. But the same way than a doctor could straight away, they decided they will go in for Abante fan Brighton che no anya yi omko fa Patrick Yeboah abayan. And ka left back one pon ko Abbas. Oh, Evans Usu. But they still waiting for Brighton Yeboah ma be 3 wo. So why is it down on the right back position what there? Yedi ko to Stefan Kwanso.
No man sure.
Not so far. Amos Ekwa. Yen se na nya. An option because some of them call Augustine Sefa the garbage seat.
You been your time. We knew one or
yeah, Kakra my name say coach no nyanya the first 11.
And the one is
yes, of course, and he has not. And also I'm not every player chance. That some of the players are nanka or more transfer list no. Coach naka say been more than any job. For instance, Habib now born na sen. Enti the ameme hu say wo hear say na coach ya no man head room rebi no mo kwa we a. Bet me about 4 back. It be on home and about 3 back. It is on home number 3 back and the possibility is a Habib. And it cost that the bond.
So why problem away?
Yeah, of course.
Born now almost feeling away no. Away no win cinema. So
yes, of course.
Getting teams in 2
and I'll say coach in the bias so can I the back here and say only players in the car say on no waba into be a mono men yes style or the boy winning ball. But free na play say obono hwene nya ono abetro de bo nti wanya time asho bia but one good thing they say coach we ni ma o ye player or ma the freedom to play the wo but emo make sure say mu lose ball ne dia e say we ye tackling okay pressing no into who player bia or pressing yes suspect no coach no be nya problem but aside that they say o press we are or ma chance say yeah and ampo even with match or buy no friend straight say say we pra back still bra training na on bet na on hwe dia oye no na ono sunsun bi wo
Timas back come money be training what time be
yes on bat training but is okwa cries here for rehabilitation and on my so ni we no
ski or had there so co training ground
or had there he has to be internet dey be say wo hwe pictures so co
yeah o try be your time I can say we job but double brain na Garba double moment trust na you kakra because so be about cordial. Sorry, Jaho, you know what?
Oh, send it to order that.
Sir,
who's that team now got to connect one boy? Chama near Madame Fopa. Yeah, one more striker, Macron. I mean, I'm managing one more striker.
Yes, a pen chrome, which is a warrior, Bogala. Was also a crime.
Oh, send me cousin me play. I mean, I'm managing. Team now got to connect one.
Yeah, under 15 forces, Yakobo, also come, also do now manage you.
Oh, they're making Yantasana. Oh, that he says that me player managing the team nearby.
Keep us say. Under 15 need you to manage.
He said under 51 nearby the bonnie.
He used to have a CC. I said, no, Habibu Yare. Habib Mohammed no yare into a static training. So let's be hopeful. Say maybe the coach
only 2 in the only bit
coaching bit.
Say in case
of options because some of them come by over here. You said Ambobi.
Yes, I do. They are same substitute.
Yeah, I think Habib never the best replacement. So I'm going for any other player.
Okay.
Papa. The tennis.
Gala no one sent to say man.
Yeah, Afibian unim say Agnecasia. Media memo on Colang.
What else you saw Agnecasia?
Yes, my classmate for me can me classmate.
How many for?
Oh, you can't say.
Under 15.
And at 13 and 15.
How many classmate for?
Yes. And I'm Coca Blue Chilla. Tama won't and who met on Capolisi actually. Because one more born. Now, when you see will be a woman age wise. So when you send an about police for crabbit match. Now, every year be a tournament, a course smooth. I do a bubble be to say, me a drew now a more from one more pop. Nemilla way a miller, a steady kind, young farmer severe film. My dear papa, Yami Shram. Some are jail to me, someone a may, Yami Shram. Dear Tosumian. Susie here back. Susie for yes, director Yamishan or Wakra. Ya get 2 nani penos adabo o project here project come because unity gala a din kabom asuke under 15 John or what team be on him under 15 yan this time he and pese would do play a beba or broswa disqualified utim ye be you and I came, there be a yenny free. Last year, dear, say, free do obey or chair 50 Ghana crana yet ye king canade and mao
I want you to ask Amazon, you can come on.
I do about last year be up our flick. Yeah, my cake you got to sign him.
I feel sick and that's also.
Oh, I feed the sponsor say back. I feel sponsor say back. On set, and then ye be a GOP ventures. Oh, Roman.
Oh, Jesus,
yeah, Jesus in the boss. GOP ventures. Papa me to so and my sorry. Oh, corner what? Oh, one walk ya or do you receive?
And as I am crying,
yes, sanity. Now this year the empire better. So you to me corner to me can blah because buy a what na casa a beton. What I say, and now we MP away and persuaso and share so we assemblyman who bet my best sponsor. Now papa him get last year ye ni free to me flow be papa so na bobon what me casa margin assassin. Manyama. Papa, obia ye drop the foul drop or say uncle.
Oh, you free man.
Ah, yes, now can you check a lot of fair cry? Almost so debinti. Now, or the cell tournament. It's my essay. I dear free be as a boca. 80 million free beer. And your old bar, I skink near the mouth. A old sick and out iron. Me fat, me fine actually. And when I'm the quiet kinky, into Uncle Banner or many dear. Yes, a warm ice cream can bread.
This year, I'm crowned born now. You're 1,000 Ghana.
Yes,
10 million.
10 million. What be the first?
Under 15, you'll be the first.
What be the first? I know, and yet 10 million in Quakin.
I said, near
market count. Justice in your market count.
Wow, way under 50. Same for you for the crowd by 7,500.
Now, sir, a second division. Ghana second division to a 72 teams. Ghana second division a year. Way woman should organize 20 million.
I don't want to do so fast. Surprise money.
Way under 50.
Way under 15. And I would this second so. Would this second so yeah. Now, one can say, yeah, can farmer. Me woman himself, Messia Mayo. Because Jesse was sets. Be pianing na touch. Would you second swap me more 5 million? Would you tell you swap? Would you 2 million on Yama? Would you 4 from swap? Would you 1 million and no on Yama? 80 be piake count. See before so sponsor. And check the sponsors and I can bear it. Ebeba, a friend of mobile on board.
Why are you? So organizing under 15 and crank it to a school for. Now we team this case is to some more day.
Can't say your bomb person and never would be a crab baby or brosa.
Yes.
Now,
but also wow 20.
Oh, King Kunsa, we are saying the Bible some mamma friend of quite. Now when
so ya bofra.
I said me abofra.
I hope to manage you.
Oh, there be some me manage players.
You have a play.
And some me play and I make set me to one more friend from Saza.
I won't tell you your pattern is a loose. Then I'll do manager.
On a brief.
There be any found. I know your kind of saying.
Tournament
in the 10 set. Serbia, or per se, Abia, or best sponsor, Jumediana, or Bass of Ephemwa, Ungu Penibia, Yabejo Fesso, and also be fret, and also performs on Papa 100 cities.
What were 100 cities?
100 cities.
That's 1,000 guaranteed.
Yes, 16 teams. 16 teams. Broswa, young phobia, young protocol.
And under 15, so make sure say under 13 up to 12. Under 13 up to 15.
Oh, sir.
Well, bro, so you are now, we're not when we're the age and the name, so about 2 and height.
Papa, only the way, young will be undeceived. Who says, Sanua? Woman, blessing, or no teaching any. Yen now will be a new 80. Yes, I will be to say, we see a dog you.
Boss Blair,
there be me as or the Mequaname block.
Now, the uncle said, once the amount is simple. On the mechanical last time, I say a boy under 15, you are under 17. You shall see a giant. I'm going to you ever strip coach clubs no more. So I got coach clubs, no, and then call some Omudum Jim. because course aha open a fine amount and a scout me so I'm bought from Cesar's in the team school na
yes
I'm bought money ekwa ni mu kama aha nti ya ene say eboa ebe bon kwa
it is bia o pesa of forms na bia o fele na o deba 100 cedis ya usika ne de aso odi ntini ya jamusa ko ye kafli na aje ne ye frefre mo sa wo yi it will try 100
that woman say
it me de na money to
na number number say
0243 0243 12 1741 0243 1270 41 595 na prachu mi anisha